Have you ever wondered if reality is truly as it seems, or if our brains are simply playing tricks on us? Welcome to a journey into the realm of perception and the games our minds play to create our reality. Just as an artist paints their version of the world onto canvas, our brain constructs our reality. It takes raw sensory data, processes it through a complex network of neurons, and voila, it presents us with the world as we know it. But like any good artist, the brain sometimes takes creative liberties. Consider the blind spot in our vision. There's an area in our field of vision where we actually can't see anything because that's where the optic nerve connects to the eye. But do we walk around with a black spot in our sight? Not at all. Our brain fills in the blanks with what it thinks should be there based on the surrounding information. A fascinating illusion, isn't it? Then, there's the concept of change blindness. This is when a change in visual stimulus goes unnoticed by the observer. For instance, if someone you were talking to was replaced by another person while your vision was momentarily obstructed, you might not even notice. It's a startling reminder that our perception of reality is not always accurate. Now, let's not forget about the Rubin vase, a classic optical illusion where you can see either a vase or two faces in profile, but not both at the same time. This illusion demonstrates how our perception can flip between different interpretations of the same image. Our brains decide what we see based on what we focus on. So, what have we discovered today? Our brains are like artists painting a picture of reality from the raw, sensory data they receive. But like any artist, our brains take creative liberties, filling in blind spots, overlooking changes, and choosing what we focus on. This means that our perception of reality can be distorted, and what we think we see is not always the truth. In essence, our brain manipulates our reality. It's not out of malice, but a necessity for survival. It streamlines information, focusing on what's important and ignoring what's not. So, the next time you trust your eyes, remember that what you're seeing is not a perfect representation of reality, but a masterful creation of your brain. It's incredible, isn't it? How our brains create, adjust, and manipulate our perception of reality. It's like we're living in our own personalized art gallery with our brains as the tireless artists. Our reality, it seems, is a mind game, a beautifully complex, endlessly fascinating mind game.